Finally, something seems to happen here. So they will be fighting at this ground, I think. And you can see here, people are coming. They even have their stand here at the church. So we will wait here. More kids. Big fight now. Oh, these kids are crazy, but brave. Look at these small kids here, going to fight now. Oh yeah. Oh, people coming. What a great fight here!
Here in the highlands of Toraja, this unique tradition known as Sisemba is a ritualized form of mass-kicking fighting, once involving entire villages, but today more often practiced by children. Sisemba takes place at the end of the harvest season, at a time of celebration and community bonding. Historically, it was seen as a way to release energy, strengthen unity, and resolve tensions between villages. Instead of weapons, fighters only used their legs, kicking and pushing each other in coordinated groups.
Yeah, so the locals here, they tell me, I think we're kind of making body language, and they tell me it's not, you cannot hit. You need to have each other in your hands, and then you need to go to your opponents, and then you can only kick or use knees. Ready for war. And it's like when they first start to fight, there will come a lot of their friends and fight together with them. So now it's a big brawl here. Look everywhere. Now they're fighting everywhere. It started with 2 opponents. I mean 4 in all, and now just fighting everywhere.
In its traditional form, hundreds of men could join, moving together in lines, clashing back and forth like waves. The contest was less about victory and more about showing strength and courage.
And the crowd is cheering as well here now. Hey! Ah, they're very proud, these 2 kids. They fought them down.
Today's Sisemba survives mainly as a cultural performance and as a children's game, reminding the younger generation of their ancestors' traditions.
Oh, it's not allowed to hit. So now his friends, they go crazy because they saw he hit their friend. So they want to take revenge. Now finish here. See all the people here. I think there might be a couple of hundreds around here. Hello. You're very brave here. Wow, man. These kids are brave.
We rushed further to an almost finished funeral, but luckily, this is also where the fun begins.
So they have not been put in the graves yet? Oh, perfect. Now they're dancing. Dance up here, next to the coffin. Now they drag it again. Go, 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 go! Okay, let me join.
This ceremony is not only a burial, it's a public passage. The funeral is where the living make a noisy physical offer to the dead. They do it together in view of the whole community. The procession that carries the coffin is a moment of passage, a last push that moves the person from among the living to among the ancestors. For weeks or even years, the deceased may be kept at home, as in my latest video, treated and honored until the family has time and resources to hold the proper ceremony. When the funeral day finally arrives, the coffin is lifted and moved in a ritualized procession. The body's final journey is therefore also a social event. Everyone affirms the relationship between the family, the village, and the dead. Death is treated here as a transformation rather than an end. By singing, dancing, and sometimes joking loudly, the community frames the death as a passage to a better place. Grief is shared, but the tone is forward-looking. The performance convinces both the living and the spirit that the journey is underway and accepted.
Sisemba over here. Oh, this is crazy. Oh. Okay, take it. I want to fight too. Let's go. Come. With me. Can you film?
Oh yeah,
Okay, perfect.
Very good.
Thank you. So I can fight again. I can fight. I couldn't fight with the children, but here I can. There was one guy, he was like this close to my head with his foot.
Mister.
What an experience, man. I also fought here in Indonesia with the Toraja people. They are so cool. This is an amazing culture because you're even allowed to fight here.
Have you ever seen something like this? Please let me know in comments below and give me a like if you want me to explore more strange things around the world.
Now the grown-ups also, I just took video. Okay. Can you hold? Also this?
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay, I understand. Now I couldn't participate anymore apparently. No problem. Thank you. Yeah.
This for family.
I know. It's okay. And now my host, he can fight because he's part of the tradition. So I was not allowed anymore.
It's also an element of respect. The deceased is being honored with a display of strength and vitality. By showing bravery and endurance in front of the coffin, the fighters demonstrate that life continues and that the community is still strong after one of its members has passed. The fighting is a way to release anger and prove courage.
So this is a big party and the funeral at the same time. I think this funeral is a lot more fun than other funerals I have been to, that's for sure. So the thing is, they appears to be Christians, like on paper and stuff, and they also have churches, but in reality they have their own tradition, their own kind of religion. So there's only 5 religions allowed in Indonesia, and Christianity of course is one of them. And so if they chose to be Muslims, they will never be allowed to do this. That's why they chose Christianity, like on paper. Still throwing water. And now they take the coffin out. And they go to the tomb. Let's see.
Please tell me what you think of this religion hidden in Christianity disguise. As I said, they choose Christianity not to be Muslim so they could still practice their own belief, even if it's not an approved religion by the government. And if you haven't seen my earlier videos from here, I will recommend you to. These videos show us just as unusual things from this very unique side and Toraja and their belief. And go get the world under your skin.
Yeah.